going to show you how to add the windows for your castle in 2-point perspective. The first thing that you need to do is you need to make a line where you want your window to be, or where you want it to start. I'm going to make some up here, and I'm also going to make some down here. The next thing you need to do is you need to connect the top of the line to your vanishing point and the bottom of the line to your vanishing point. We're using the vanishing point on the right-hand side because the windows are on the right-hand side of the castle. If the windows were over here, then we would use this vanishing point. When we do this, we know the windows are not going to go all the way outside of the castle, so you can stop when you get to the castle wall. Making the windows long like this allows you to make multiple windows with less lines than if you were to erase it all. Okay, the next thing you need to do is you need to decide where your window is going to end. So I'm going to make a line that goes straight up and down. It's parallel with the center line and parallel with the side of the paper where I want my window to end. Okay, you can either choose to erase the rest of it that you have and just stick with that window, or if you would like to, you can add some more windows. You're going to add some more windows by doing more lines that are parallel with the center. Your windows are going to get smaller as they go off into the distance, and they're also going to look closer together. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to erase the things that you do not need. So I have a window right here, and now I'm going to erase there. I have a window. Erase the next section. Window, erase. Window, erase. Same thing down here. You don't have to do 2 rows of windows, but I was just doing that because it's a little bit quicker. Okay, the next thing you need to decide is if you are going to do black windows like this, or if you want to do arched windows. If you want to do black windows, you're going to just leave it like this. If you want to do arched windows, you're going to curve off the tops of the windows. And then erase the corners. Alright, the last step is you need to make your windows look 3D. These windows, we use the vanishing point on the right hand side because they were on the right hand side. But when we make them 3D, we need to use the vanishing point on the left hand side. What you're going to do is you're going to figure out which corner of the window is the furthest away from the opposite vanishing point. So if my vanishing point's here, the corner that's the furthest away is this corner. Next, I'm going to take my ruler and make a little line from that corner that goes to my vanishing point. So with the ones on the bottom, the corner that's furthest away is going to be this corner. Next, we're going to make a line for the side that goes straight up and down. It should be parallel with this line. Same thing over here. The last step to make our windows 3D, so we're going to use our original vanishing point and put our ruler on that. We're also going to put our ruler on that corner that we just made. make a line right through there. I'm going to do the same thing down here. I have that line here, I have the corner. I'm using my original vanishing point and putting my ruler on the corner and going away. For the arched windows, it's a little bit easier. What we're going to do, same thing, is we're going to find the opposite corner from, the corner that's furthest away from the opposite vanishing point. So in this one up here, there really isn't a corner there because it's rounded, so we don't need to worry about that. The one down here, the furthest away corner is going to be right here. So you're going to put your ruler on the furthest away corner and your opposite vanishing point and make a little line. Then to make this 3D, you're going to go up and over, and then right here we need to make this line. So we're going to put our ruler on our original vanishing point in that new corner that we just made and make a line. This one up here still needs a little something. All it needs us to do, we don't have to measure anything, so we're just going to go up and around. And those are our windows.